At Autel Robotics, we push the boundaries of modern flight, exploring the unknown with unparalleled performance. This is the EVO 2 series, ushering in a new era of aerial shooting. EVO 2, the world's first 8K foldable drone, brings you unmatched video resolution and 48 megapixel stills to capture the world with more detail than ever before. Featuring 10-bit A-log color profile, EVO 2 records up to 1 billion colors. Its stunning 4K HDR video stands out with increased dynamic range, delivering top-of-the-line image quality that you'll covet after experiencing. The powerful phase detection autofocus function and 120 FPS slow-motion video capabilities are an ideal combination for high-speed shooting. Thanks to 4x lossless zoom and defogging mode, EVO 2 is perfect for capturing your subject from a distance without missing a single detail. If EVO 2 is all about detail, then EVO 2 Pro is all about professional users. It commands a powerful 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and the f2.8 adjustable aperture, capturing stunning aerial photos with brilliant color and controlled lighting. With excellent low-light performance, EVO 2 Pro provides incomparable night view footage. Equipped with a FLIR camera, EVO 2 Dual provides visible and thermal imaging with remarkable performance, perfect for commercial and first responder use. Featuring Autel Robotics' latest flight control system, the EVO 2 series offers an unparalleled flight experience. So intuitive, every flight seems effortless. Our new airframe is covered with 12 optical cameras, achieving stunning omnidirectional obstacle avoidance by creating an accurate 3D map of the environment in real time with automatic intelligent path planning. Aided by a dual-core powered object detection system, EVO 2 recognizes up to 64 subjects at once, allowing for immediate pinpoint tracking. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, a maximum speed of 72 kilometers per hour, and a 9-kilometer range, the sky is no longer the limit. Unmatched performance, resolution, and computer vision. The future is now the present. This is EVO 2 series.
What do you need for incredible aerial imaging? A brilliant camera, an aircraft you can trust, and the intelligence to make every shot cinematic. The Phantom 4 Pro camera has an f2.8 aperture, mechanical shutter, and large 1-inch sensor, coming together to make brighter, more detailed imagery. Record cinematic 4K video at higher bit rates with more advanced compression and a wider dynamic range. 4K 60 frames per second recording gives you stunning, detailed, slow-motion aerial video. The Phantom 4 Pro is as adept at stills as it is with video, capturing every detail at 20 megapixels. Its mechanical shutter eliminates rolling shutter bending. Grab the perfect moment using burst mode. All of this makes the Phantom 4 Pro the most advanced aerial camera ever found in the Phantom series.
The Phantom 4 Pro is now a huge step forward. I'm taking photos of the lava when it's darker out and the glow of the lava is coming off of it. The image sensor that's in this camera now is 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixels. That extra dynamic range allows me to really get everything into one shot, and in the landscape, that's extremely important.
See your shot clearly, even in direct sunlight, with the new ultra-bright 5.5-inch monitor that's more than twice as bright as most tablets. Inside is DJI LightBridge technology. It automatically detects interference and switches from 2.4 to 5.8 gigahertz transmission at takeoff, cutting through the noise for more reliability.
The built-in monitor on the Phantom 4 Pro is so bright. I'm actually able to see in direct sunlight, and that's really allowing me to compose my shot and get what I really want to capture.
Active Track has now been expanded with 3 new intelligent flight modes. Profile tracks your subject horizontally from any side. Spotlight locks the camera on a subject while you fly in almost any direction. Circle swings 360 degrees around the subject. Tap Fly has also been improved, adding reverse tap fly, making it perfect for aerial selfies. Flying the Phantom 4 Pro is even more worry-free. A set of rear visual sensors has been added to existing forward and downward sensors. Combined with new infrared obstacle sensors on its sides, the Phantom 4 Pro has 5 directions of sensing. If image signal is lost, it returns home while dynamically avoiding obstacles, and even flies back along its original flight path until signal is regained. Every minute in the air counts. The new high-capacity battery flight time has been increased to 30 minutes. When it comes to speed, the Phantom 4 Pro is 10 miles per hour faster with full support of its obstacle sensing systems. With its stunning camera, 1-inch sensor, ultra-bright monitor, obstacle sensing, and intelligence, the Phantom 4 Pro brings professional quality aerial imaging and flight capabilities to more pilots around the world.
great outdoors. This is the MATRICE 200 series, DJI's most rugged, reliable, and versatile commercial aircraft to date. Forged by the hands of our top drone engineers, it wields an array of functionality for enterprise users who demand tools that exceed expectations. If you designed an aircraft to tackle the toughest situations, what would you include? How about rain resistance, stereo vision systems, dual batteries for longer flights and greater reliability? You'd want modular expansion ports and a compact design that goes wherever work takes you. The M200 hits all of that, and we're just getting started. A newly designed dual battery power system supports up to 35 minutes of flight for maximum airtime with a single gimbal. The M200's powerful propulsion system offers a payload capacity of 2 kilograms, allowing you to fly heavier hardware in unpredictable winds. State-of-the-art aerial imaging is yours for the taking through native support of DJI's industry-standard gimbal technology. Loaded up with the ZenMuse X4S, X5S, Z30 zoom camera, or the XT thermal imaging platform. With an onboard FPV camera, pilots have a real-time view in front of the aircraft to navigate confidently through complex environments. When it comes to gathering critical intel, 2 eyes in the sky are better than 1. The MATRICE 210 gives you the power of mounting 2 gimbals at once. Maximize efficiency by flying 2 cameras side by side for capturing different types of image data at the same time. You can now mount a camera on top of the aircraft for inspecting vital infrastructure in all those hard-to-reach places. The M200 was born to traverse rugged terrain thanks to its compact foldable design, so you're hitting the sky within minutes of arriving on site. 2 batteries provide power redundancy that ensures reliable operation in a wide range of environments, and a self-heating function keeps them operating even in sub-zero temperatures. The M200 isn't just tough, it packs a big brain behind the brawn. With DJI's flight autonomy system, most concerns about safety and reliability are a thing of the past. Powerful internal processors churn data from 20 sensors, with redundant hardware that includes 2 IMUs, 3 barometers, and multiple thermometers that monitor the aircraft's temperature and the temperature of both batteries. An upward-facing infrared sensor recognizes objects above the aircraft. Stereo vision systems detect obstacles down below and in front of the aircraft. The M200's ability to sense and avoid obstacles makes close proximity inspections faster, easier, and safer. The M200 series is our first line of aircraft to feature DJI AirSense, a built-in ADS-B receiver that provides operators with real-time air traffic data. The system gathers information from surrounding aircraft and alerts you when they approach your operation airspace. Modular expansion ports add extended compatibility for custom hardware, so you can build a data collection beast that speaks your own language. With the MATRICE 210 RTK, your aircraft gains centimeter-level positioning accuracy, thanks to DJI's DRTK GNSS high-precision GPS technology. DRTK also boasts resistance to magnetic interference for commercial flight missions near large metal structures and electromagnetic fields. The DJI MATRICE 200 series. High-performance aircraft with the reliability and versatility fit for any mission, no matter how tough.
Hello, I'm Philip Bloom. There are times when technology pushes boundaries, but what's really special are the moments when boundaries are completely ignored and a new device redefines possibility. The DJI Inspire 1 is the world's most advanced all-in-one aerial filmmaking system. It all starts with the ready-to-fly innovative design. The sleek aerodynamic body is remarkably lightweight, especially when you consider the technology that's packed into it. A smart flight controller, powerful motors and large propellers make the Inspire 1 responsive and stable. During flight, the strong carbon fiber arms raise up, transforming the Inspire 1's shape and giving you a 360-degree view from the built-in stabilized camera. The Inspire's camera shoots in crystal clear 4K video at 24, 25 and 30 frames per second, and in 1080p at 24, 25, 30, 50 and 60 frames per second. It captures beautiful 12 megapixel stills, and a 94-degree wide-angle lens eliminates distortion and fills your imagery with crisp, vivid colors. The camera is detachable, allowing flexibility for future upgrades. The Inspire 1 also includes DJI's 3-axis gimbal technology for world-class camera stabilization. The Inspire 1's camera rotates a full 360 degrees and tilts up and down 125 degrees, vastly expanding your options for creating content that truly reflects anything your mind's eye can see. A brand new optical flow positioning system utilizes downward-facing sensors to stabilize the Inspire 1 when it's close to the ground. This means that the Inspire 1 can fly indoors with perfect position hold and is able to hover stably at low altitudes even without a GPS signal. On the remote, sensitive control sticks make flying simple, easy, and responsive. Ergonomic dials control gimbal movement and camera settings, while dedicated buttons allow instant photo capture and video recording. Integrated DJI Lightbridge technology allows you to see what you're shooting in HD at a range of over 1 kilometer, so you can clearly see the details of your aerial perspectives as you capture them. Enabled by Lightbridge, the mobile app gives you a high-definition view of what the camera sees. It allows you to change camera settings and includes a full manual mode. The Inspire 1 encourages collaborative creativity. By using a second controller at the same time, a dedicated operator can control where the camera's pointing so the pilot can maneuver the Inspire, allowing for precise camera moves. Previously only available on larger platforms, DJI Inspire 1 seamlessly integrates groundbreaking aerial imaging technology into the expression of your wildest ideas. And you'll redefine, again, what it means to explore new aerial perspectives.
Pollution and climate change happen to the people who are least able to defend themselves against it, and often we're least responsible for it in the first place. My name's Annika Wister-Jones. I'm the Affordable Solar Program Manager at Solar One. For us at Solar One, it's really important to have an environmental justice focused program so that we can specifically help the people who need it the most be at the forefront of that climate movement. And we provide the technical assistance to make that possible. In the country and around the world, solar is really booming. The more energy that we can produce here in the city, the less we need to buy from coal-fired power plants upstate.
We'll be right back.